How can I be cool? Can I be cool? What is cool? Ice school, baby. Is being badass still cool? What would Ray Liotta do? All this work, is it going to lead me to the right place? What will I become? Who am I meant to be? Do I have what it takes? Will I finally be cool one day? Can I be a bad boy? A bad boy of 10.
Hey guys, it's Brad Bennett from MobileSyrup, and today we're gonna mod an Apple Watch into a pretty badass skull chain in case you haven't noticed already. All the way back in May of this year, I was on Amazon and I stumbled across the holy grail of bad boy tech accessories. It's a gold skull chain that turns an Apple Watch into a necklace or a pocket watch, I guess, even though we're not gonna get into the why. I ordered it right away, and then about 40 seconds later, I realized that the chain, and actually most Apple Watch necklace accessories, at least the cool ones, are made for the smaller 40mm Apple Watch, which sucks for me since I have the 44mm version. So I had to cancel my order, much to the dismay of Papa Bezos, and I fell into a deep well of sadness. 18 days later, I crawled out, I said f it, and I ordered the chain anyways, plus a few other Apple Watch spare parts with the hope of DIYing my way into being cool enough to infiltrate a biker gang, but still techy enough to slide into the computer club as one of the boys. In theory, this shouldn't be too hard, and will make for a pretty short video since I wanted it to be live. So stick with me for the next few minutes, and hopefully, by the end of this, one of us, me, will be a little cooler at the end of it. All right, let's build. All right, so I guess I'll just get into it. First things first, let's disassemble my other Apple Watch, which also has an Amazon band. Sorry, Apple, you just don't have any cool tortoise shell ones. Let's see how easily that comes off, fairly easily. Now we're left with this. So let's unbox this guy. Skull chain in the box, whoa. All right, obviously we've got some pretty high quality metals here. I mean, I think this was $12 on Amazon. Maybe it was $20 Canadian. I don't know what that's gonna work out to the US. I'm sure US viewers are probably gonna be able to get this cheaper and might even have more options on their Amazon. I don't really know. This is, for anyone looking for it, I'll link it below, but this is the Band Max Cool Design necklace for Apple Watch. It says right here, cool design, so you know that it's real. It's really cool. And I guess, yeah, the backstory for this is a long time ago, my girlfriend Alex, who's over there, said, what are you trying to be, some kind of bad boy of tech? And I said, yes. And ever since then, I have been living this fake tech bad boy lifestyle. Okay, so that kind of fits in. I mean, this is what it's gonna look like at the end. And that's the bad boy lifestyle is the whole reason behind this. Well, I guess I realistically don't even need to be doing anything. That's sick. But it doesn't quite fit, as you can see. And it actually magnets in there pretty good. Oh my goodness. I'm gonna ruin this by trying to make it better. There's also the hair stuck in the bottom of my whatever. All right, let's get it out. Let's see what we can do. We don't need this, we don't need this. We do need these parts. So these are just extra Apple Watch like band straps. So the idea would be that you could like slide this onto here and then put your own like watch band in it if you had your own. I think these are like 22mm straps. They're also fairly cheap. And then yeah, I've also got a Fido chapstick in there, but that's not important. So the idea with these is that it looks like there's a little break in them. So I'm gonna try and like bend it open and then see what I can do from there. Nope, it's not gonna happen. Oh, what there is though is a little screw under here, and we have an iFixit kit, so hopefully that means we've got the right screws to open it. That's not it. This is gonna take forever. Find the screwdriver that came with the band links, Brad. Oh, this strap. Ho ho ho! This works. I guess this actually might have came with these so that you could put the strap on. Okay, so I'm gonna turn this over. I'm not gonna lose my screws because I've already lost. Actually, I'm not even sure why I'm doing this silver one. I think I want the black. So I'm just gonna put that screw back in. Actually, no, I'm gonna take this screw out and I'm gonna put the silver one in the bottom just to fill the space because something's gotta go there or there's gonna be an outline. Just shove in here and fill the space. I mean, there's those two holes. I guess I could put the screws back in maybe, but I think we're gonna call that good enough. All right, let's move on to this one. Take it apart. Happy that this little screwdriver was here, or else this whole video would have been for nothing. And that would have been disappointing considering how much time I spent on the mood board behind me. I'm just kidding, I always have that up. All right, so this one's up. Oh, when you take them off, they come apart actually. So the two bars are now apart, which means that I should be able to just slide it through the hole in this as long as I can separate these two parts. Let's see what that does. I'm hoping I can just like bend this because I lied earlier when I said this was high quality metal. I'm assuming this is cheaper something. And I should be able to bend it. Yep, here we go. Slide this off. There's the gold piece. Here is the skull. I don't know if that's gonna come in focus or not. I hope it does because it's pretty badass. It might be too badass for this. I'm thinking taking this off was actually not a great idea now. Let's put it back on. Great. I hope Apple's not watching this. Okay, we got it. No issues here. Everything's... I'm sweating. It's so hot today. I'm really sad that I messed this up. All right, back at it. Skull chain round 2. All right. Oh, that slides in really nicely. That went in perfectly. And that's it. That's all there is to it. All right, so this is what I've learned in about 5 minutes with an Apple Watch on a chain. First thing is it wants to bang into all the desks all the time. So that's a pretty big detriment. Maybe if I had a shorter chain, it would be better. I probably need a shorter chain anyway because it keeps twisting like this, a twist, yeah. And that's a little annoying too, but beyond that, it's pretty cool. And I like it. So thanks for watching. As always, I'm Brad Bennett. You can reach out to me online at any time at @TheBradFad, and make sure to follow MobileSyrup too for all kinds of legitimate tech news and reviews at MobileSyrup. And if you like this video, make sure to like and subscribe too, and hopefully I'll see you next week.
Probably not.
Yeah, probably not. But it's been fun.